Okay, so this is video number 3 and the setup. So for the setup, you go back to your email that you got from the CARL system. You copy your email exactly as it is, or you type it in. See, when I pasted it in, there's some empty spaces at the beginning. So you want to make sure there are no empty trailing spaces anywhere. Otherwise, the installation is going to fail. Next step is you want to copy this. Copy, and to be sure, you can also paste it in a notepad first, just to make sure. And then copy that from the notepad and paste it in. This way, you're sure there are no spaces, nothing. And then you just hit verify and install CARL. This will install the software. It's already installed. I'm not going to save that for now. And CARL is right now installed. And now you continue to the setup. So you click on CARL setup. Okay, there's a weird glitch here. Let me see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, it picked it up. Okay, there we go. So this is where you're going to enter your database details. So I'm going to take the username first. Copy that. And localhost. That's the database username. This is the database name. So I'm going to copy. And I'm going to paste that in there. And then I'm going to paste in the database password, which is this one. Copy and paste this in. And then test the connection and then continue. Click that and boom. Now, I'm not going to save that either. Now you're going to create your username. So you've got to put in your username and password. For simplicity, I'm just lazy right now. I'm going to copy the same thing as my database. I'm going to paste that in and paste that in. And then I'm going to run install again. This is going to install and upgrade your system. So I'm going to run the install. And everything is good. I can call this admin right now or login or whatever. I'm going to save that. And you're going to see a lot of green stuff and just get redirected to the login page. And now you're in CARL. Yep, that's been updated. Now you're in CARL. So CARL is going to tell you there are some steps you need to finish. So you've set up your site. You've set up your base URL. That's all set. Now, what's left is configuring your organization info. So just follow these steps and it's going to, take you through it. So click that. And this is where you start putting in your company or website details. I'm going to continue with this section in a separate video because this is something on its own. But yeah, that's how easy you install it. Cheers. Thanks for watching.